Hey guys, welcome back. Mike Denny at Appalachian Fieldcraft yet again. We're doing the third part of this like my pack system video. You know, I forgot to mention this in the first one, a schmog. Like, I love this thing. Wiping sweat, making a bag, towel, washing, you know, I don't know, prayer hood. If your faith prays or whatever, my faith is Christianity. Not that I'm trying to lead you guys to church or anything. I just feel the need to say that. I don't know. You know, like it. So let's get in this bag. My camera kit was up here. I could have some other stuff up here and kind of lessen the load in this bag, but this is what I got in here right now. Snugpak jungle blanket. Love it. I think they rate like comfortable down to 46 and extreme like down to 30 something. I haven't tried it just by itself in extreme, but I love it. You know, for summer, fall, or early fall, late spring, it does me just fine here. And where I'm at in Tennessee, I have a pretty mild climate, so it's not that big a deal. This is a BCO or Bushcraft Outfitters ripstop tarp, 10x10 tarp. I like it really well. I really want to upgrade to a Silnai, because once this thing gets rained on for a while, it kind of starts, I don't know, for me it kind of starts getting spotty. I have not treated it with DWR since I've had it, so that may be the issue there. But those guys make some great stuff for good money, pretty decent money. I mean, they're not that expensive, even when you get up into the Silnai and their multicam and stuff like that. So, check out Bushcraft Outfitters. They're good people. This is my stake bag. It's just got the ABS plastic stakes, and there's like a little bit of a bank line roll in there that I just kind of left in there in case. And my Warbonnet El Dorado hammock. I love this hammock. It is so sweet. They kind of go ahead and set up the angle for you when you're laying down, so that's an awesome feature. Makes, quick and easy. I usually don't last but about 10 minutes once I lay in this thing to go to bed. I'll open it up here and show you guys what I've got in there. I've got this kind of this loosey inflatable solar light. It charges off the sun. Hook that up to my ridge line with the carabiner I got there, and read a book, or if I got to get up in the middle of the night and go to the bathroom or whatever. It's handy, and it fits right there at the top, and it packs down to that small. So really cool pieces. Lucy or Lucci, I don't know, however you want to pronounce that, but yeah, it's got 3 settings on it: low light, bright light, and then it does a blinking thing. So if you had the signal, it'd be useful for that in a survival scenario. I ordered these white straps from Dutchware. I cannot remember what they're made out of, but they're the white ones. The carabiner on one end. I got the ones with the 2 loops. I think they're like the 5 feet. I ordered these carabiners off of Amazon because they were like $1 cheaper than the other ones. I don't know, I'm kind of nitpicky. And then the titanium toggles, I got those from Dutchware as well. I don't remember how much they cost, but it's got a loop on each end. I just tied the toggles to this end, and then I hook it up with the carabiners, tie a marlin spike hitch, loop that through there, and I'm good to hang. I love that system. It's so quick and easy, especially once you get that knot dialed in. And then the hammock is in here. I'll do a review on that later, but that's pretty much it for me, guys. Like, I try to keep it fairly simple. It doesn't, probably about 20 something pounds. And that keeps me comfortable, at least in the warmer months. Now, wintertime, obviously you're going to add some installation and maybe some other stuff, but it's, it is what it is. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back with some more videos here pretty soon.